Hello, Aquarius. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Star Delta 9, a medical intuitive and an energy healer, and I am here to do a collective reading for the sign of Aquarius for May 2021. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why the heck not? Get on over there and subscribe. I'd love to have you. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Your presence means so much to me. Aquarius, how you doing? If any of this resonates with you, Aquarius, sound off in the comment section below, darling. That's your section. If it does, give me a thumbs up and share the content. Thank you so much. Let me grab that one. We'll cut these babies. I hope you're having a fabulous day, Aquarius, and that May is an awesome month for you, darling. Let's do this. Spirit angels and guides, what does Aquarius need to see for May 2021? Right off the bat, we've got justice in the center of the reading. This is the signifier for the reading. So you're asking for some balance, some virtue, some honor, some equality in a situation. Your energy you're taking on, Aquarius, is Five of Pentacles. Crossing that is the Empress. Five of Pentacles, feeling left out in the cold, lonely, set aside, possibly, despair with Taurus going on there. Empress is what's crossing you, so you've come into some knowledge, some wisdom here, some development, accomplishment, and it's probably surrounding some sort of happy harmony you're having or memories regarding some knowledge you've come into, secret knowledge, wisdom even, virtue. Wow, Spirit. To the Magician, taking that quintessential leap. This may be a poignant point in your life, Aquarius. You might be celebrating this with the Four of Wands here. A completion cycle, possibly. A wedding, a birth, celebration of information, or a closure cycle. Someone holding back. Unwise attempt to miser or withhold something from you. To the Hierophant. To the Magician in reverse. The Outcome, Spirit. A victory. Wow. 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 So you're celebrating the discovery of something here, Aquarius, going on. And you're asking in the center of the reading, this is the signifier for the reading, justice. You're asking for some equality, some righteousness, virtue, even harmony or balance in a situation where you have been felt left out in the cold with the Five of Pentacles. Poor health, loneliness, despair even with Taurus here. And you're taking on this energy of an Empress. Accomplished, evolved, gained wisdom. Why is Aquarius feeling left out in the cold, Spirit? Two of Wands. So maybe there's some plans you're making with a partner to move forward, possibly. And then you have the Ace of Cups. Good health, love, joy, and beauty. So I'm not understanding why you're feeling left out in the cold, unless it's because this is one of the cards that has his back turned to the reading. So you're making some plans and having some courage to move forward. It may or may not be in a partnership. It may just be in a brand new beginning for yourself, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, beauty, love, joy, health, good things, all those things. Divine brought that in. To the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is some happy memories, acquaintances, having some harmony. Can be a reconciliation. Are you reconciling with somebody, Aquarius? Five of Swords in reverse is unfairness, defeat, loss. What is this unfairness, defeat, and loss? That would be why you feel left out in the cold. The World. Wow. In reverse. So a lack of vision, some severe disappointment here going on. Probably because of this information you came into, this secret knowledge, because she sits here with this scroll in her hand, in her lap, and she don't move, right? What is this disappointment for Aquarius spirit? Wow. So the Six of Pentacles in reverse. There was jealousy, misering, and unfairness going on that caused a grave amount of conflict with the Five of Wands here. Lawsuits, quarrels, debate, even competition with Leo. And that's taken you some courage to overcome. You're sitting in this High Priestess energy. There's been a death placed to a situation, Aquarius. Scorpio showing up. This was probably unexpected, caused a grave loss, transformation even, to you having to stand your ground with the Seven of Wands. You got a lot of wands going on here, a lot of competition, a lot of challenges, and then a lot of things you're having to overcome, and it's taken you courage and conviction, and this is a win with the Seven, but it has not been without challenges for sure. Stiff competition, and you're gaining courage and energy to move on and take this quintessential leap of faith, Aquarius. Where are you going? Where are you going, darling? You have a new beginning on the table. Possibilities. Yes, it's not without risk. Everything is a risk. You're sitting in this solitude, this Nine of Pentacles energy, right? Well off, not caring about anything. Virgo's showing up. Might mean something to you. You might be dealing with a Virgo. You're single, probably separated from this person right now. There may be a knight that's going to come in and bring you a proposal. He's the Knight of Wands. He's a little impotent. He comes in without chaos, but he's very dynamic, and he'll come in with speed of action. Sagittarius, Scorpio, but he may go out just as quick as he comes in, so be prepared for that. I mean, even his horse looks fucking scared. Look at that horse. What's this knight bringing? Movement, a victory. The knight's bringing a victory. That's what they're bringing. Victory, Cancer. Perseverance. Might be a rush decision because there's been so much turmoil and you've had to have some vigilance to overcome this adversity, but you're managing the yin and the yang. To the Four. Completion, Aries, right? Celebrating it. Celebrating this information. Beautiful. Temperance, Sagittarius, moderating yourself with some good influence here. Beautiful, Aquarius. Beautiful. Damn. To the Queen of Cups in reverse. That Queen of Cups in reverse has been showing up, man. She a not happy woman. She has an overactive imagination. She's full of gloom and doom and unhappy. And it's taken her some perseverance to overcome this bullshit. Gemini, Cancer. And she is not happy. She is not happy. Left her tied up. Tied up, man, with the Eight of Swords. Weakness, indecision, restriction to her person, Gemini. Do not let anybody restrict you, Aquarius. You can take that blindfold off and untie yourself and leave anytime you choose. This is mental energy. Remember that. Mental energy, and it will pass. The sun is shining here, Aquarius. Ooh. To the King of Pentacles. You sitting in your worth, baby, with the King of Pentacles. You are this reliable person, this generous man, masculine energy, Aquarius, Taurus, steadfast, reliable. Make the most of your assets. You're holding back. This is your position. You're holding back from somebody, or somebody's holding back unwisely from you with the Four of Pentacles. That's ungenuine too. That's misery. That's a need for stability, Capricorn and the Sun. To a Knight of Swords. Strong, brave, clever person might rush in, stress some truth, Taurus, Gemini, constant in your life, but even look at him. He's the horse is even freaking the fuck out. These are coming in as knights. Remember that. Not kings, not emperors, not queens. Knights. Those are messengers. The Hierophant's sitting here. You're not accepting this offer because this knight is coming in with some toxicity, codependence, narcissism, bullshit, lies, deceit, and greed. And you're sitting in your traditional values, Aquarius. Sitting with the Hierophant. Not moving with Taurus there. Healing, beautiful. The Star card, Aquarius. Healing, hope, spiritual optimism, faith. To the Three of Cups in reverse. There was a hidden indulgence here, and there may even be some gossip going on. Some outside gossip. You've taken yourself into the introspection mode of the Hermit, looking for the star. And my darling Aquarius, the star is here in your environment. You are healing from this. Manifestation's probably not taking place right now because there's a little delay, because you're feeling a little unimaginative and a little lack of self-confidence. I would too. But it's a victory, darling. It's a victory. What is this lack of confidence? Let your talents shine, nurture your skills, learn something new, get out of your comfort zone. You have everything you need in your environment, Aquarius, to overcome this. Let this page be kind to you. Love yourself and let your talents shine. Spirit's here valiantly with a brand new beginning for you. Love, victory, anything you want. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. To a victory, my friend, in your outcome. A victory. Yeah, you went to war. You had to come back. You got your ass kicked. The Ten of Swords came out here. We're going to throw it down over here on top of this because I didn't see it. And it wants to be here for some ungodly reason. The Ten of Swords, when it comes out in reverse, this is you. Positive energy, good health, courage, and a victory. Aquarius. Yes. One more on this, Spirit. This happened probably underneath the moon. Somebody was juggling. Somebody was juggling, and there was a little deception, and some of them right double dealing with the Pisces card here. You have a brand new beginning on the table for you, Aquarius. Brand new beginning. Brand new. Stay in this positive energy and this good health and courage and take your victory, baby. The angels would like to tell you, hold out a hand to clasp a divine guidance. I'm telling you, Spirit's coming to you, Aquarius. Spirit is here for you. Feel your angels' embrace as you sit alone. Angels love you for just being you. Pray and let communication with your angels open up in unexplored knowledge. Aquarius, this is a beautiful reading. What an amazing victory. If this resonated at all with you, please sound off in the comment section below. That's your section, baby. I enjoy doing these readings for you so much. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, won't you? Namaste.